CSDM explains how services, applications, and infrastructure are connected inside the CMDB. Now, let us go step by step and understand everything clearly. So the question is, what is the primary purpose of CSDM in ServiceNow? Option A, to manage financial assets. Option 2, B, to standardize how services are modeled in CMDB. Option C, to manage user roles. Option D, to track incidents. The correct answer is to standardize how services are modeled in CMDB. So what is the primary purpose of CSDM? The main purpose of CSDM is to standardize how services are created in CMDB. CSDM is Common Service Data Model. So in organizations, different teams create data differently. Because of that, CMDB becomes messy and confuses. So CSDM brings one standard method. So everyone follows the same structure. So it ensures consistent service modeling, clear relationships between services and infrastructure, and for better visibility of IT services. Next question. What does CSDM stand for? Option A, configuration service data management. Option B, common service data model. Option C, central system data mapping. Option D, cloud service deployment model. The correct answer is common service data model. So CSDM stands for common service data model. It defines how service data should be structured and connected. So for all organizations, follow a standard approach. Why is CSDM important? ServiceNow. Option A, it reduces hardware cost. Option B, it improves CMDB data consistency and usability. Option C, it replaces CMDB. Option D, it manages security roles. The correct answer is option B. It improves CMDB data inconsistency and usability. So CSDM is a very important because it improves data consistently. So without CMDB, what happened? Without CSDM, what happened? Data is very confusing and relationships are missing. Impact is not clear. So with CSDM, everything becomes clear and connected. What problem does CSDM solve? Option A, incident resolution delays. Option B, inconsistent service and CA data modeling. Option C, user authentication issues. Option D, asset depreciation tracking. So the correct answer is CSDM solves inconsistent service and CA data modeling. Option B. So different teams create services differently. CSDM brings standard definitions and structure by providing standard relationships, standard definitions, standard service structure. So this avoids confusion in CMDB. Next question. How does CSDM improves service visibility? Option A, by removing CA relationships. Option B, by linking business services to technical infrastructure. Option C, by tracking financial data. Option D, by managing user access. The correct answer is option B, by linking business services to technical infrastructure. So CSDM connects business services to infrastructure. It means it creates a flow. I mean, business service to the application to the infrastructure. For example, if a server fails, we know which service is affected. So finally, we can conclude with How business services depends on infrastructure. Next question. Which area benefits most from CSDM implementation? Option A, payroll management. Option B, service mapping and impact analysis. Option C, attendance tracking. Option D, vendor management. So the correct answer is option B, service mapping and impact analysis. So service mapping and impact analysis benefit the most because everything is connected. We can easily understand impact. So it will enable service mapping, impact analysis, and root cause analysis because of it will properly connected. Next question. What is the role of CSDM in CMDB? Option A, to store asset cost. Option B, to define how services and CIS are structured. Option C, to manage incidents. And option D, to handle approvals. The correct answer is option B, to define how services and CIS are structured. So it acts like a blueprint for CMDB. It means what type of services exist, how they are related to infrastructure, and how data should be organized. Next question. Which of the following is best describes CSDM? Option A reporting tool. Option B, a data model for structuring service related data. Option C, a monitoring system. And option D, a ticketing tool. The correct option is a data model for structuring service related data. So CSDM is a data model. It is not a tool. It only defines structure and relationships as a service hierarchy. Next question. What happens if CSDM is not allowed, not followed? Option A, faster incident resolution. Option B, confusing and inconsistent CMDB data. Option C, improved governance. And option D, reduced infrastructure. So the correct answer is option B, confusing and inconsistent CMDB data. If CSDM is not followed, CMDB becomes confusing because it will give data becomes inconsistent data. Relationships are unclear and service mapping fails. It will lead to the poor CMDB quality. Next question. What is the main goal of implementing CSDM? Option A, reduce cost. Option B, standardize service data and improve CMDB usability. Option C, manage users. Option D, track assets. The correct answer is option B, standardize service data and improve CMDB usability. So the goal of CSDM is to standardize data, improve service visibility, enable better and best IT operations. So CSDM is a standard model that organizes CMDB data. It means abbreviation of CSDM is Common Service Data Model. It provides a standard structure and everyone should follow the same way. It connects business application infrastructure. So everything is linked and it improves visibility and impact analysis. So easy to understand impact and it ensures consistent and reliable data. It means data is correct and usable. So finally, CMDB becomes clear, connected, and useful. So we can conclude as in CIS-Data Foundations, CSDM is very important because it explains how CMDB data is structured and connected. If you understand this concept, you can easily answer most CSDM questions. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe. If you have any doubts, ask in the comments. Thank you and wish you all the best.